Hello and welcome to this last lecture of Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Experts. So in this we will be making our store live for sales. So I hope you understand everything. Like if you have got these lectures from the very beginning of this course, you will see we have set up products, we have set up collections. We have made some raids to our products. We dropship our products from AliExpress. We have looked on some apps and in sales channels. Our store is live with Shopify sales channel, and you can also add different sales channels. We will be looking more into our next courses coming. So after doing all these things, you will have to go to your store and see that if anything is not missing regarding like logos, regarding your products, homepage, and everything. So we'll be also looking very precisely inside the homepage. You see, we haven't did customize these product pages because you see these are the sections that is available under your products. So you can just go to your theme customizations and you have to disable all these sections. But if you want to make other sections other than homepage, you can go to product here and then default product template. Inside it you can hide all the sections other than product information, like this blog post. These are the sections available. So here you see we have product, we have newsletter, email, recommendations and reviews and footer. You can save it, and just the same thing you can do for your collections template. Here inside the collection template you can see that you can disable these things once you don't have it ready for these. So just like this, go to any other pages, default page templates. Because your pages have this section enabled, it will be bad for you, for your stores. So after looking at all these things, don't forget to add a custom domain for your store. Inside the domain sections you can buy some domains. Go to domain, connect it, buy the domain from Shopify, or you can also buy it from some domains providers like GoDaddy. So you can just go to the domain sections and then you can connect, so you will have your own unique domain name other than this default my Shopify. So once you do all this, you will see if you want to make this speed score higher, then you will have to have less sections on your home page. That is the best way to improve the speed. But Shopify OS 2.0 theme also helps to increase the speed score. So once you will adding all the products, adding collections, optimizing apps, and then your store is ready for sales, you can put some ads ready for your store, for your products on different sales channels, Facebook, TikTok and other sales channels. So keep check that when somebody is buying it, make a default purchase from your stores, like the first checkout purchase. And when you click to continue to shipping, you will see that your shipping rate must be available for all countries, and you can continue to payment once you have set up the payments. Because our store is not accepting payments because we haven't set up the payment inside the settings inside the payments option, because we are on trial store, development store here. So once you will choose a provider here, like you can also make any payment method like PayPal or Shopify payments, so people can buy it through all the payments methods they have. So okay, we are going to activate the test payment method. this is like this. So okay, we have activated the test payment method. Once it's activated, we will be just refreshing this. So it's saying it's not a field order. So here you see we have some credit card options available. So when somebody is giving their information and clicking pay now, it will be paid. So this was the things you have to check before going to your store live for sales. So now you see that our payment methods are also showing on our store with some review widgets. You can do settings of your review apps. I hope you guys understand and like the course we did for you for Shopify store dropshipping development, beginners to expert using AliExpress with Overload. You can also do the same dropshipping concept by using different dropshipping providers other than Overload. For this, just go to Shopify app stores, and if you come to know some best dropshipping for your niche, for your store, just go to Shopify app store, and here try dropshipping and search for it, and then you'll see the top dropshipping providers like this. Here you see Pocket, Ipolo, and then Global Dropshipping, AliExpress Dropshipping, and so. So I will recommend Overlook first, and then you can also go for DSells. Also a good thing. You can make it like here. You can go with all pricing free, filter it, and then you can make it like most installed. With this, you can get to know that what are the most installs dropshipping without ads. There is first DSells, and then Pocket, and then we have Printful for t-shirts. So these were the things you will be looking on. I hope you understand how your store is ready for launch, everything. Thanks for watching this course. If you like it, if you need any more help, you can definitely contact, and looking forward to your reviews after taking the course. Thank you. Bye bye.